happy Saturday. It's around 11 a.m. It has to be one of the most insanely
We're gonna go to Central Park as friends.
Where's the
Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
But I also want to squeeze some
Every
self-care.
single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
This cafe door. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I am not sure right now if it is gonna be a day in my life or a weekend vlog, but it's a Saturday today, so happy Saturday. It's around 11 a.m. like what? And we are on our way to yet another brunch spot. It's called NG's. We have never been there and I haven't looked at the menu yet, but I think it's gonna be amazing. AB actually mentioned a few days ago that he wanted to go on a cafe date, like a proper date, not work from cafe, just the two of us trying some good coffee, and that is what we're gonna do today. I made it a mission to find out a cute cafe spot, and I think NG is gonna serve the correct vibes. It is so aesthetic and I think it's like a coffee experience. I'm not sure, but we'll have to find out together. We are just a couple of minutes away, but I wanted to start this vlog and say hi, so welcome. Let's go and have some good coffee. We'll have to park here, I think. How is it?
बहुत अच्छी है,
Seriously?
ट्राई.
Let's try it. It's good. Have to try this hazelnut. Alright you guys, we just got free from the cafe and it was such an amazing experience. The coffees were really good and the best part was the seating. Like, we sat near the window and it served such a good vibe. Also guys, it has to be one of the most insanely beautiful cafes I have been to in a while. It's around 2:30 p.m. and we spent a good chunk of time here at the cafe and we had such an amazing Saturday brunch here. Now I think we're gonna head back home or either to a grocery shop. I'll have to check with AB, but yeah, I will catch you guys soon. It is so hot right now.
पर आई थिंक बारिश होने वाली है.
I hope it rains because this is, I'm sweating. I
Right.
feel gross.
Humidity is too much.
I know.
I think it is above 90%.
Above 90? So are we going home now or are we going grocery shopping? What do you want to do?
I think we need some groceries also.
I agree. But the thing is, I forgot the list at home. I do not have it because I don't think so we planned a grocery run.
We will figure it out. Do we have cheese at home?
No. I think we are out of mozzarella and bonconcini.
I think we need orange juice also.
And we are out of sardo. Like, where's the sardo?
That's in Sardo.
Sardo is like a staple in our house. We need it.
And I'm forgetting it for like 4 days.
I think a week straight.
Yeah.
Alright, it's starting to pour now. We need to head out. And where are we planning to go? Modern Bazaar or Limash? I think Modern Bazaar, right?
Modern Bazaar.
Modern Bazaar, okay.
It will be on the way.
Is it nearby?
I guess 10 to 15 minutes drive.
Okay. Alright guys, so we'll head out to Modern Bazaar and I'll take you guys along. Let's do some grocery shopping. Hi guys, first of all, I'm so sorry I could not continue the vlog yesterday after grocery shopping because it was so hot, humid and rainy, and then I had to go to the temple. So you know, things kept happening one after the other and I just could not continue the vlog. I could not pick up the camera. I feel really bad about it and I thought it's okay, I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow morning. Well, this morning hasn't exactly been a good morning. In fact, I had the most irritating morning. Well, there was no electricity, I think, till 11:30 a.m. and right now it's 1 p.m. and I just finished getting ready. I just took a shower, put on a little bit of makeup, just some Benetint and a concealer, filled in my eyebrows, and that's it. I'm just gonna be open with you guys. I'm this whole other person when it's peak summers. Like, it's so difficult to explain. I just love when the weather is pleasant or if it is winters. Otherwise, especially when the power goes out, it is so difficult to navigate in your own home. On top of it, I was making paranthas for AB when this happened. I had so much planned for today, but I could not do anything. And you know, when all of this gets in between of me creating content, it just puts me in a very weird mood. Like, I treat content creation as work, but the thing is, this is something that makes me really happy. I'm a very small creator. I do not have a very large community of people, but the people that I have are so sweet. Like, you guys are so sweet, you are so encouraging, and you're always giving me constructive feedbacks. And this is a journey for me to improvise and fulfill my dreams. But the amount of irritation that gets attached to the power cuts, it gets in the way of me creating content. And well, then I had to tell myself it's okay that things did not work out the way I wanted to. And for a second, I thought of dropping this video, but then this is reality. I mean, what's the point of making a real video, right? If I'm not including all of this, the things I'm feeling right now. So we are gonna make most of it. It's okay, it's afternoon, it's okay, it's 1 p.m., but we are gonna make do. And I have lots on my agenda today. First of all, I need to make a post or carousel on Instagram regarding the cafe we visited yesterday because it was so good and I have so many thoughts. I really want to pour all of that out in a very creative post. So I want to do that, but I also want to squeeze some self-care in my day. So I have been putting off painting my nails for a while now, and I think I'm gonna do that today. I also want to get my hair refreshed. So every 2.5 months I go to the salon to get my roots touched up. I also want to drop by a tailor today, the one I have been trying out. I have a couple of things that I need to get stitched. I suspect a family gathering coming up and I really want to be prepared this time. So these are a few things I have in mind that I want to tackle today, but first I think I'm gonna get started with the Instagram post, handle that, and then let's see how the day unfolds.
Hi.
Okay, bye. That was AB. He's an angel, offered to make lunch. I'm so grateful because cooking one more meal in the kitchen, I don't think so I could take it because I just showered. Anyways, you know my stand on that. While he cooks, I think I'm gonna tackle the Instagram post. So let's get going. So I just got up from a power nap. I really needed that. I mean, after having lunch, I just felt so sleepy, and yeah, now I'm feeling a bit fresh. And it's almost 5 p.m. I need to head out to my salon appointment. But the thing is, I need a little pick me up, so I wanted to have some chai. I do not think I have enough time to have it at home, so I'm just gonna make it, pack it up, and have it at the salon. I'll probably sit there idle for around half an hour or so while the color is in my hair. So I think I can have my chai there. So yeah, let's make it and let's head out. It's almost time to leave, and here's what I'm taking with me. My wallet, of course. This has my cards and cash, a claw clip because it's too hot, and then I'm taking the chai that we made right now, just checking if it is locked, and my phone. And I'm thinking of taking my iPad also because, as I said, I'll be sitting there for quite some time. Might as well get some work done. Let's go. So I just came back home and got these cherries from the local fruit wale bhaiya and got some pav as well because I have leftover bhaji that I think I need to use up because it'll get spoiled otherwise. Also guys, why do I always feel like a whole different person whenever I get a fresh blowout? Seriously, if you are in a bad mood or you are having a bad day, just go get your hair washed by someone else and get a fresh blowout. I promise your entire personality is gonna change and it'll make you feel so much better. Anyways, it's around 8:30 p.m. It took me really long at the salon, but I'm glad I took my iPad with me because I got so much done. And yeah, the day is pretty much over. I think I'm just gonna have dinner and that's it.